started banning stage 1. Stage 1 banning.
Hi everyone. After my class 101 on how to make a YouTube video from my fiance Roshan Pandit, I need to use 24 frames per second. I don't know what that means. Okay, with all that, let's get to the trip. Now we're heading towards Sandy Hook Beach, where we will be camping for next 2 days, and we'll be spending all of our time in the beach, in the water, because it's sunny outside. So we have reached our friend's house, Balrun and Ashma, and the frame.
Hello friends, how are you doing? We are back to vlogging and here we are getting ready. And this is how the mess looks like.
Okay, all the stuff's packed. Drinks, plates, Luga, Varun, Ashma.
Our luggage. Yeah. It's still in the process. We have no clue if it's all gonna fit inside. And we hope and pray for Jesus that it all fits in and we get to sit in front.
A few moments later.
We have a miracle. Miracle! Miracle! We are witnessing a miracle, folks. All the 10,000 infinite items have been fit in this. We're finally here, ready for the water. Welcome to the
Yep, we finally arrived to the Sandy Hook Beach in New Jersey. After scouting a place, we found out that the North Beach has the best view of the New York skyline, and we were eager to see some of the fireworks around there.
biryani.
We were in the beach and we were enjoying the every moment. So the fireworks started at around 9. So there was a few fireworks that is going around there, but the Macys Firework in New York that started at around 9:30, and we were blown out by the firework. It was amazing, and we were wishing that we were at New York, but we were enjoying every moment of it, and we had the 360 view of the New York City all the way from the Long Island to the New Jersey. In the time of enjoying, we might have forgotten our time. So we were staying there, we were talking, we were laughing. Then we saw there was a coast guard which were circling us, and we all four started to panic, and we grabbed our stuff and ran. The path back stretched like forever. Finally, at the car, we heard a drone. I don't know, it was a real drone or like we were hallucinating due to that moment there or something else. But we heard drone and we were scared as hell. We just stayed there and we panickingly drove our car to the campsite. Then we call it a night. What a night it was.
Bolo, how was your experience? I was Tom Cruise vehicle. Victim 1.
डेजर्ट वाला सीन तो मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगी.
अनलिमिटेड वॉकिंग भी
आते ही नहीं.
एंड देखो फ्रेंड्स, हमारा ब्रेड को खा लिया रकून द थीफ. उसका टेंट को फाड़ दिया वहां से जो हमारा ब्रेड मार्शमेलो हैज बीन द फर्स्ट विक्टिम्स ऑफ मिस्टर रकून.
Recording is live. What do you want to say, guys? क्या हुआ कल? Let's hear from Mr. Barun's mind. What
Time
happened?
8:51.
Okay.
It started at 10 o'clock. Then started panic. Stage 1 panic. Coast Guard आया. ड्रोन से पहले कोस्ट गार्ड आके आपको वार्निंग देगा.
ये क्या कर रहे हैं?
उसका वार्निंग के बाद हम लोग वॉकिंग स्टार्ट किया. ओह, दिस वाज नॉट वॉकिंग, दिस वाज पादयात्रा.
No, this was
Walk.
जान बचाने के
दंडी मार्च किया, मिट्टी के ऊपर दंडी मार्च किया.
वाला खाना
1 mile walking was forever panicking. सब लोग सेम साउंड सेम स्टेप्स लगा रहे.
Day 2 started with a full blast. We were all laughing about what happened yesterday and hearing from everyone else like they all had the same kind of experience.
गए अभी हमको पकड़ लिया, जेल चले गए, आगे मर गए.
So we prepped our breakfast and we headed towards the beach. We went to the Gunnison Beach and there we knew that the beach is renowned for clothes optional spot. But the thing is, we should have gone to the left side of the beach mat where the normal couples will be there. But we went towards the right side where we saw only the special couples there, and being first time in a naked beach, we felt a bit awkward. We ate our chatpate, then we came to our campsite at around 5 p.m. Then we came, we prepped our dinner, we played some games, and we call it a night. Day 3 started and it was our final day. So we had to pack our stuff and we had to head out by 10 a.m. So we ate our breakfast, we packed our stuff and left the campsite. But we still had a whole day left. So we planned to go to the next beach because we didn't want to go to the Gunnison Beach due to our weird experience yesterday. So we went to the second beach and it was awesome. The place was family friendly and we immediately went and dived into the ocean. The deep was so refreshing, I cannot describe it. But the thing is, we went to the second beach at 11 a.m. and it was the hottest time of the day, and we enjoyed at the ocean, came to the beach and lay down our back. We all got burned, like it was literally the sunburn.
इंस्टेंट चिप्स. ठीक है, टाइम रिटायरमेंट फंड 2 मिलियन दे दो भैया, खत्म. क्या चाहिए अभी बोलो.
So we had have officially started from Sandy Hook Beach. Now we're gonna go, and our vacation is over now. Thank you for watching, guys. And what a adventure it was. Amazing. Everything was just coming all along, and we four were enjoying every moments, every place that we went. Had some kind of crazy experience, but we experienced the fun together. And wherever there is family and friends, nothing is bad experience. It's all memorable experience, and this will stay with us forever now. Yeah, thank you for watching till now. I'll see you in the next one.